I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Android version and whether your phone uses a custom skin that blocks navigation edits. Once done, back up navigation settings and take a quick settings snapshot so you can restore if needed. Make sure to install the appropriate tool, Good Lock modules on Samsung, Navbar apps, or Button Mapper, because each app exposes different controls. You'll start with the simplest app that works without root, and then move into advanced steps if customization is limited. You now grant the app accessibility and overlay permissions to let it control the navigation area. Once granted, select your preferred layout, 3-button, gesture, pill, or a custom icon bar and preview it. Then remap actions. Assign long press, double tap, and hold delays to apps or system commands. If the app supports icon packs or SVGs, import them and adjust padding and height so buttons sit above gestures. Make sure to test with multiple apps to confirm stability across the launcher and full-screen apps. You apply the new configuration and then immediately test navigation across several apps in landscape and portrait. If icons overlap gesture areas or don't respond, fine-tune height, edge sensitivity, and dead zones. Disable system gestures if they conflict. If behavior is unstable, revert to the backup or uninstall the module, then reboot. That usually clears permission or overlay conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, revoke and regrant accessibility and overlay permissions, then relaunch the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.